Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to export to Excel your fixed asset list in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks account, and then in the main dashboard you can navigate to the all apps here to open all of your apps, and then go to accounting and you will find fixed asset here. You can click on it, and then you will see all of your fixed assets. So in my case, I have only three assets here, just for example, and in order to export all of them, you can go to see reports here, and then you can click fixed asset list, and then you will see all of your fixed asset list here, in the report template. And in order to export it, you can click this export icon, and then you will see export to Excel. You can click on it, and then you will be able to download the file. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.